Best deals.
1. Tope. Detachable snug fit silicone grips, stay cool. Safely grip, pour and carry hot food, stackable, space saver design, fit into each other, frees up space in modern kitchens. Works on gas, induction, oven, electric, ceramic and halogen cooktops. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dish drying rack. Crafted from rust-resistant, heavy-gauge stainless steel that holds heavy utensils, plates, and vessels without bending. Stand is designed for everyday Indian kitchen use with a sturdy frame and balanced legs that keep the rack stable. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Tea filter. Just rotate the handle to open the ball end and rotate again to close. Perfect small gap and holes makes only the water and flavor to flow outside the tea infuser ball smoothly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Storage boxes. Ideal storage and containers for organizing vegetables, fruits, and groceries neatly. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Shelf. Is made up of high-grade aluminum frame. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg quick installation in a minute. Make sure you are using the product on a clean and smooth surface. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cold press juicer. With a 1.5 L wide mouth hopper, you can juice more fruits and vegetables at once without needing continuous refilling. The 1L juicer jug and pulp collector make it easy to prepare large batches of juice. Capable of 90 minutes of non-stop operation, this juicer is built with an auto-thermal cutoff for motor safety and an inbuilt assembled safety lock for extra secure usage. Designed for simplicity, this juicer is easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Kadhai. Enjoy healthy, tasty, and crispy food effortlessly. This kadhai embraces the concept of natural non-stick without the need for additional coatings. With the ability to withstand high heat and retain it effectively, this kadhai makes cooking a breeze. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Electric chopper. With its intuitive one-touch operation, this mini chopper simplifies your food preparation. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action effortlessly. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Burger press. Is made of thickened die-casting zinc aluminum alloy with high hardness, wear resistance and scratch resistance. With a wooden handle, anti-scalding and heat insulating, making the meat firmer when pressing the patties. Place the patties between the two parts, press them together and push down. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Bowl. A complete prep and bakeware solution, perfect for cake mixing, atta kneading and festive cooking sessions. Thick, durable plastic with stable grip, unlike everyday light bowl sets that flex or stain. Ideal for baking, salad, flour sifting, dough prep and daily meal prep beyond Christmas season. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Measuring jug. Holds up to 1 liter of 4 cups, making it ideal for precise kitchen tasks. A perfect match for measuring cups for kitchen. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Peeler. Designed for compact kitchens, both vegetable peelers fit together for space-saving storage, ensuring your kitchen stays organized while offering maximum functionality. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Foldable bucket. This bucket turns space-saving into an art form, offering all of the versatility and practical use of your average bucket. The silicone bucket can be collapsed and hang up on your utility room's wall. Designed using foldable silicone and heavy-duty plastic. The flexible foldable is very easy for use. You can use it for home or outdoor activity, such as car washing, laundry, watering, camping, fishing, hiking. It can be folded easily for saving space when not in use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Shelves. A wide single towel napkin holder is perfect for hanging hand towels or face towels. Could be set up in kitchen, bathroom or living room. Easy installation, waterproof and high load bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. Quick installation in a minute. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Coffee mug. Earth-friendly and sustainable retro mug that is extremely lightweight and impact-resistant to withstand everyday use. It is dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Microwave cooking set. This premium international kitchen tools set includes a 2L cooking pot, steamer, griddle, and multifunctional lid, perfect for fast, healthy microwave meals. Stackable, space-saving design lets you prepare an entire meal in minutes, combining practicality with international innovation. Integrated handles in both the pot and lid ensure safe, easy removal from the microwave, making this one of the smartest kitchen tools for cooking. The lid doubles as a base for the griddle and steamer, or can serve as a standalone microwave-safe plate, versatile and efficient for modern kitchens. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Container jar. The whole capacity up to 4 ounces if you fill it to the very edge of the jar, but the scale marks on the body show up to 2 ounces to make sure you can clearly see the capacity from the outside without opening the lid. Perfect size for packing sauces, salad dressings, peanut butter, jams, dressings, snacks, veg puree, fruits, solid baby foods, mashed avocado, pesto. The small containers are made of high-quality glass which is eco-friendly, reusable, and doesn't contain anything harmful. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Ironing board. Features a hanging hook for easy hanging on a garment rack. Its foldable legs enable effortless storage in cabinets or drawers. This ironing board is perfect for small spaces, apartments, dorm rooms, or for taking with you on the go while traveling. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Electric milk frother. Whether you prefer thick, creamy foam or smooth, warm milk, the 170 ml frothing and up to 300 ml heating capacities cater to all your beverage needs. Tailor your coffee experience with 4 modes: warm thick foam, warm thin foam, warm milk, hot chocolate, or cold thick foam, perfect for any coffee preference. Enjoy cafe-quality beverages in the comfort of your home, making every coffee break a luxurious experience. Automatically starts at 65 degrees Celsius with options to adjust the temperature between 55 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius, ensuring your drink is always at the perfect temperature, for ultimate coffee experience. It ensures that your beverage maintains its ideal temperature for an extra 30 seconds after preparation. Perfect for busy moms who can't enjoy their drink immediately. It features a user-friendly LED touch panel. Perfect for busy moms who appreciate straightforward, hassle-free operation, ensuring a smooth and efficient coffee-making experience every time. It features a robust 500 watts of power, ensuring quick heating and frothing. Product link is given in the 19th link.